Good morning everyone, this is Iosif, Senior Analyst at IronFX, bringing you the morning comment for the 21st of August. Yesterday's main market mover was the USD, which weakened further against a number of its counterparts, as US President Trump stated in an interview that he is not thrilled with the Fed hiking rates and that it should do more to help him boost the economy. He also accused Europe and China of manipulating their own currencies. The markets proved sensitive to fears that Trump may weigh on Fed's policy. However, currently analysts reassure that Fed officials do not seem to be influenced by President Trump, and we share that view. The US dollar weakened as mentioned, and should there be further headlines about the issue, we could see it weakening further. Euro USD rallied yesterday and during today's Asian session, breaking the 1.1482 resistance line, now turned to support, and testing the 1.1537 resistance level. We may be seeing the pair stabilizing today, even correcting somewhat, as the RSI indicator in the 4-hour chart is at the reading of 70, implying an overcrowded long position. Should the bulls continue their run today, we could see the pair breaking the 1.1537 resistance line and aim for the 1.1623 resistance level. On the other hand, should the bears dictate the pair's direction, we could see the pair breaking the 1.1482 support line. On other headlines, the US do not plan to give any concessions to Turkey for Pastor's release. Specifically, US President Trump said that he will not make any concessions to Turkey in order for the latter to release US citizen Pastor Brunson. He also stated that he wasn't concerned that higher steel and aluminum tariffs imposed on Turkey would have a negative effect on Europe. The statements coincided with shots being fired on the US Embassy in Ankara on Monday, an incident indicative of the tense relationships between Turkey and the US. Also, analysts are concerned over a possible spillover of the issue in the economies of other emerging markets. However, we currently consider the circumstances of the Turkish crisis as very specific. USD/TRY remained relatively unimpressed on Monday. However, further developments on the matter could give rise to volatility. USD/TRY continued to trade in a sideways manner yesterday between the 5.95 support line and the 6.28 resistance level. We see the case for the pair to continue to trade in a sideways manner should there be no further fundamental surprises. It should be noted that the pair seems to be looking for direction to open its next leg, as the RSI indicator in the 4-hour chart remains near the reading of 50. If the pair comes under selling interest, we could see it breaking the 5.95 support line, while should it find fresh buying orders along its path, we could see it breaking the 6.28 resistance level. In today's economic highlights, in the American session, we get Canada's wholesale growth rate for June, and later on the IP weekly crude oil inventories figure. Also, please note that New Zealand's milk auction figure is due out today. For more information, please read the full comment on IronFX.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. Also, you can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or search us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Iosif from IronFX, wishing you solid trading.